Hello, today we will guide you through how to trade options on ThinkorSwim. In this walkthrough, we'll get the platform ready for options trading, show you where to adjust the key settings, and take you to the place where you'll access option chains and begin placing trades. Follow along at your own pace, and feel free to pause as we go. Start by opening the ThinkorSwim platform on your computer. Give it a moment to load and make sure you're signed in. If you're new or just practicing, you can sign into the paper trading mode so you can explore without risking real capital. Once the platform is open, turn your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. Up there, look for the Setup menu. Depending on your layout, it may appear as the word Setup or as a small gear icon. This is where you'll find application-wide preferences that affect how information is displayed and how orders behave. Click to open Setup. A menu or settings window will appear, giving you access to a range of configuration options. We'll focus on the options-related settings so the trading experience is clear and consistent. Inside the settings, click on the Options section. This is where you can fine-tune how the option chain displays and how default orders are created. You'll typically see choices for things like showing the Greeks, managing the layout of bid and ask columns, and how confirmations appear before you send an order. Take a moment to review these so the platform reflects the information that matters most to you. Proceed through the on-screen prompts, clicking Next until everything is set. If you see choices for default order quantity, price type, or confirmation windows, choose what suits your style and then continue. When you reach the end, confirm or save your changes so the new settings are applied. Now look toward the top of the platform for the main navigation tabs. Find the Trade tab. This is where you'll access option chains for different symbols and view expirations, strikes, and pricing. Click the Trade tab. You'll land on the Trade interface, which includes a symbol entry field and an option chain organized by expiration dates. You can expand an expiration to see available strikes and view bid and ask prices, implied volatility, and other details depending on your layout. From here, you're ready to trade. Use the information on the screen to evaluate contracts and structure orders that match your plan. Before placing any live order, always verify the quantity, price, and expiration, and consider practicing in paper trading to build confidence. That's it. Your ThinkorSwim platform is now set up for options, and you're in the right place to begin.